make those cuts too. It looks so satisfying. The HSM 405H wood harvester is a game changer in the forestry industry. Its versatility and durability allow it to adapt to various terrains and weather conditions, ensuring consistent high performance. It's like a Swiss Army knife for logging professionals, equipped to handle any task with precision and efficiency. The user-friendly features make it a valuable asset, not just for seasoned veterans, but also for those new to the field. It's a testament to how technology can elevate the forestry industry to new heights.